Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been such a long time since I've shared one of those plan with me videos, and with the new year just around the corner, I thought it's finally time. So today I wanted to share a minimal, beginner-friendly bullet journal setup that you can use for the new year 2026. If you're into new year planning, easy journal setups, and minimalistic layouts, this video is totally for you. I have this beautiful pastel green notebook from Matt's Notebook. I absolutely love the design, and I'll drop the link below if I can find it. Now grab your planner or bullet journal and let's get started. Let's begin with the very first page. I'm just writing down 2026 in simple lettering. You can also pick a theme or a word of the year here, something that sets the tone for your new year planning, maybe balance, growth, or focus. Next, I'm moving on to a 2026 goals page. I like to divide it into different categories. For example, personal, career, health, wellness, finances, creativity, or hobbies. You can then pick your top 3 goals for the year. That way you'll know exactly what to focus on throughout 2026. After that, I'm creating a yearly layout, basically writing down all 12 months with their days underneath. This is such a simple but helpful page to see your year at a glance. You can use it to mark birthdays, travel dates, deadlines, or any important events. Now for the monthly calendar, I'm just using my ruler to draw a basic grid for January. This section helps you see your whole month, what's coming up, what deadlines are approaching, or just to get an overview of your schedule. On the following page, I'm adding a space to jot down important days, a mini books to read list, your habit tracker, and monthly goals, all in one simple layout. Nothing too complicated, just a few key focuses for the month. This keeps things minimal but still functional, and of course you can adjust or create new lists according to your needs. Then I like to create a section for weekly goals or priorities, maybe add a small space for events or things to remember. Finally, for your daily layout, just write down each day and leave a bit of space for a simple to-do list. You can repeat this structure for each month, but I honestly recommend not setting up the whole year just yet. Plan each month as it comes. That way you can tweak things, switch up your layout, or adjust depending on what works best for you throughout the year. And that's it, a super simple minimalist 2026 bullet journal setup, perfect if you're just getting started or want to keep your New Year planning light and easy. If you enjoyed this plan with me or got some journal ideas, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more minimal planning content, as I will be putting out more 2026 videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!